Have you ever felt like manifesting your desires is harder than it should be? The truth is, the key to effortless manifestation lies in your vibration. When you raise your vibration, you align yourself with the frequency of your desires, making it much easier for them to flow into your life. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 powerful manifestation secrets that will raise your vibration and make the entire process of manifesting what you want so much easier. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll be revealing a bonus tip that can supercharge your manifestation efforts and help you attract your desires faster than ever before. One of the quickest and most effective ways to raise your vibration is to surround yourself with positive energy. This includes the people you spend time with, the environment you're in, and even the media you consume. The energy around you has a direct impact on your own vibration, so it's crucial to create a positive, high-vibe environment. For instance, if you're constantly around people who are negative or draining, their energy can lower your vibration and make it harder to manifest your desires. On the other hand, spending time with uplifting, supportive people can raise your energy and help you stay in alignment with your goals. The same goes for your environment. Keeping your space clean, organized, and filled with things that bring you joy can significantly raise your vibration. One powerful way to infuse positive energy into your life is through the use of uplifting music, inspirational podcasts, or even spending time in nature. Nature is particularly effective because it naturally resonates at a high frequency, which can help balance and elevate your own energy. Make it a habit to spend time in environments that uplift you, and you'll notice a significant improvement in how easily you manifest your desires. Now that we've talked about the importance of surrounding yourself with positive energy, let's move on to another powerful tool that can raise your vibration: practicing daily gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for raising your vibration. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from lack and negativity, and instead you align yourself with abundance. This shift in focus is essential for manifestation because the law of attraction responds to the energy you're putting out. Start your day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. It could be something as simple as a good cup of coffee, a sunny day, or a kind word from a friend. The act of acknowledging these small blessings sends a powerful signal to the universe that you appreciate what you have, which in turn attracts more of what you desire. To deepen this practice, try incorporating gratitude into your visualization sessions. As you visualize your desires, feel genuine gratitude as if you've already received them. This not only raises your vibration, but also helps solidify your belief that your manifestations are on their way. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll find things to be grateful for, creating a positive feedback loop that elevates your vibration and makes manifestation much easier. Gratitude is an amazing way to raise your vibration, but it's equally important to address the things that might be holding you back. Let's talk about how to release limiting beliefs and negative thoughts. One of the biggest barriers to raising your vibration is holding on to limiting beliefs and negative thoughts. These are the stories you tell yourself about why you can't have what you want, why you're not good enough, or why things won't work out for you. These beliefs and thoughts are like anchors that weigh down your vibration and prevent you from aligning with your desires. To raise your vibration, it's essential to identify and release these limiting beliefs. Start by paying attention to your inner dialogue. When you catch yourself thinking something negative or limiting, challenge that thought. Ask yourself, is this really true? Or where did this belief come from? Often you'll find that these thoughts are rooted in past experiences or fears that no longer serve you. Once you've identified a limiting belief, replace it with a positive affirmation. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'll never be successful," replace it with, "I am capable of achieving great success." Repeat these affirmations daily to reprogram your subconscious mind and raise your vibration. The more you practice, the more you'll notice that your thoughts begin to align with the energy of your desires, making manifestation much smoother. As you work on releasing limiting beliefs, another powerful practice to raise your vibration is meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for raising your vibration and aligning your energy with your desires. When you meditate, you quiet your mind, release stress, and connect with your inner self. This state of inner peace naturally raises your vibration and opens you up to receiving the guidance and inspiration you need to manifest your desires. There are many different types of meditation, but for the purpose of raising your vibration, I recommend focusing on mindfulness or guided meditations that center on gratitude, love, or abundance. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a significant difference in your energy levels and your ability to manifest. During meditation, focus on breathing deeply and relaxing your body. As you do, visualize your energy expanding and becoming lighter, as if you're glowing with positive, high-frequency energy. Imagine this energy attracting everything you desire, effortlessly drawing it into your life. Regular meditation not only helps raise your vibration, but also strengthens your connection to your higher self, making it easier to receive intuitive guidance that can lead you to your manifestations. Meditation is a wonderful way to align your energy, but there's another technique that can take your vibration to the next level, acting as if your desires have already manifested. One of the most powerful ways to raise your vibration and align yourself with your desires is to act as if they've already manifested. This doesn't mean pretending or being delusional. It means embodying the energy and mindset of someone who already has what you want. When you do this, you send a strong signal to the universe that you're ready to receive your desires, which accelerates the manifestation process. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, start acting like someone who's financially abundant. This might mean being more generous with your money, dressing in a way that makes you feel prosperous, or making decisions with confidence and trust in your financial future. When you act as if you already have what you want, you naturally raise your vibration to match the frequency of that desire. This principle also applies to your thoughts and emotions. Begin thinking and feeling like someone who has already achieved their goals. What would you think? How would you feel? What would your daily actions look like? By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of your desires, you make it much easier for those desires to manifest in your reality. Now that we've covered the 5 main secrets to raising your vibration, it's time for the bonus tip I promised, a powerful tool that can supercharge your manifestation efforts. As promised, here's a bonus tip to supercharge your manifestation efforts: the power of intention setting. Setting a clear, focused intention is like giving the universe a roadmap for what you want to create. When you set an intention, you declare to the universe your desire and your commitment to bringing it into reality. This focused energy raises your vibration and aligns you with the outcome you want to manifest. To set a powerful intention, start by getting clear on what you want. Write it down in detail, including how it will make you feel and how it will improve your life. Then, during your morning routine or before meditation, take a few moments to visualize your intention as if it's already happening. Feel the emotions associated with it, and then release it to the universe with trust and confidence. The key to intention setting is to be clear, specific, and emotionally connected to your desire. The more you practice this, the more you'll notice your vibration rising and your manifestations coming to fruition with greater ease. Raising your vibration is the key to making manifestation easier and more effective. By surrounding yourself with positive energy, practicing daily gratitude, releasing limiting beliefs, meditating, and acting as if your desires have already manifested, you align yourself with the frequency of your desires and make it so much easier for them to come into your life. If you found these secrets helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And remember to try the bonus tip of intention setting. It's a powerful way to focus your energy and manifest your desires faster than ever before. Share in the comments below which of these tips you're most excited to try, and let's raise our vibrations together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.